Nantucket is a beautiful island. It's why so many people come from far and wide to spend time here. Now we're about to show you some of the most incredible properties this island has to offer.
Seven Judith Chase Lane was originally built in 1746, and the owners have reimagined the property with uncompromising quality and design. Are you planning to have guests or additional family members join you on Nantucket? In addition to the 5-bedroom main house, you'll find a beautiful 4-bedroom guest cottage.
If you're looking to spend time on Nantucket, don't hesitate to reach out today.